I like what I do because I get to interact with a lot of different people and personalities. We're always growing here and improving in technology, so it's always something interesting. You never get bored in the automotive industry. It's important for our customers that we make sure the rules are followed and our quality standards are kept up here. It's also important, my job role is very important, is to coach and mentor the leaders and ensure our associates are happy and they have a good working environment. Well, with the growth here we have at DENSO, we're expanding, so we're always looking for more and more leaders, and it is very important to make sure that our leaders understand what they're doing, that they treat our associates good. So we put a lot of time in coaching our leaders and developing them so they can continually move up in the company. You can come in as an associate and work on a production line, and then you can decide if you want to take a technical path or a leadership path. We have a lot of people that still go to college and they're getting their degrees and become an engineer and stay here and work. But you can go in the technical field and work up as a troubleshooter and then maybe into the maintenance areas or production technician. We have those. And then in the leadership field, you can move into a group leader role and then hopefully move on up to a team leader and a section leader and on up. Sky's the limit.